Home Office announces immigration shake-up dates. Prepare yourself for a policy rollercoaster. Welcome to another update on UK immigration. It's safe to say that there's never a dull day here, and the recent immigration reforms just confirm that. Today's video brings you all the information on the recently announced and upcoming reforms to UK immigration. So, this is a video not to be missed. Let's get started. Did you know that exclusive immigration updates are now just a tap away? Dive into our WhatsApp channel now for all the latest visa and immigration insights you need. Just follow the link in the description below. A new statement from the Home Office was issued recently regarding major reforms and highlighting the launch dates for skilled worker and partner routes. In addition to these, further announcements were also made, signaling a cramped timeline for immigration reforms expected to come into effect this year. And that brings us to our next point. On January 30th, 2024, the Home Secretary released a statement primarily focusing on skilled worker and partner route reforms. We can expect the majority of these reforms to take place around March and April 2024, while others will be launched later this year and towards early 2025. But wait. On April 4th, 2024, skilled worker salary thresholds will also face changes. So, the big question is, what's the cause behind these reforms? In short, there are a few reasons that have triggered the UK government to make these upcoming changes. These are to bring a significant reduction to net migration, also increase Home Office revenues, and to push forward the digital transformation agenda. So, to make the reforms simpler for you, we have included a timeline summary in this video. Remember that the dates announced in the latest statement of the Home Secretary are marked as new. Let's get started. From 1st January 2024, partner and child dependents of students are only allowed if the student is starting a course on or after January 1st, 2024, that is, a PhD or other doctorate, or a postgraduate research program. Then on 31st January 2024, liberalising reforms to visitor routes came into effect. On 1st February 2024, electronic travel authorization opens for citizens of Bahrain, Jordan, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, who are travelling to the UK on or after February 22nd, 2024. Next, on 6th February 2024, immigration health surcharge will increase to £776 for students, student dependents and youth mobility scheme applicants, and to £1035 for all other non-exempt applicants for limited immigration permission, including main applicants in work routes. Then, on 13th February 2024, the maximum civil penalty for illegal working will rise to £60,000. And on 23rd February 2024, Migration Advisory Committee will report on rapid review of the immigration salary list, which will replace the shortage occupation list for the skilled worker route. Here are a few new updates from the latest announcement. On 19th February 2024, immigration rules to be laid to bring into effect the March 11th 2024 ban on carers and senior carers being accompanied by partners and children as skilled worker dependents. Then, on 11th March 2024, partners and children of carers and senior carers cease to be eligible to apply as skilled worker dependents. Also, on 11th March 2024, sponsor guidance to be amended to require care home sponsors to be registered with the Care Quality Commission to sponsor carers or senior carers. Moving on to 14th March 2024, immigration rules to be laid to bring into effect April 4th, 2024, reforms to the skilled worker and partner routes. And on 4th April 2024, skilled worker route changes will come into effect, including increase to the general salary threshold from £26,200 to £38,700, amendments to current salary levels, abolition of the 20% salary discount for shortage occupations, replacement of the shortage occupation list with the immigration salary list. On 6th April 2024, sponsors of workers with a license expiry due on or after this date are not required to make an application to renew their license. Licenses no longer have an expiry date. Sponsors have been advised of this directly on the sponsor management system. Then on 11th April 2024, the minimum income requirement for 5-year partner route applicants is to be raised from £18,600 to £29,000, and marginal income requirement for child dependents to be removed. To be confirmed mid to late 2024, Migration Advisory Committee to carry out full review of immigration salary list amendments to this list to be made following the review. The minimum income requirement for 5-year partner route applicants is to be raised from £29,000 to £34,500. Then by the end of 2024, electronic travel authorizations implemented for all non-visa nationals. And finally, on 31st December 2024, phase out of physical immigration documents, including biometric residence permits, biometric residence cards, and other paper-based documents. Holders will need to obtain a UKVI account to prove their status after this date. We can also expect in early 2025, the minimum income requirement for 5-year partner route applicants is to be raised from £34,500 to £38,700. In addition to these changes, improvements to the sponsor licensing system are also on the horizon. This change would be in line with the sponsorship roadmap of the Home Office. However, this particular reform program is behind schedule and no launch date is available at the moment. Our video update for today ends here. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.